Today we will be taking a look at Vidios. Vidios is the industry's first AI-enabled video technology that lets marketer host, play, sell, and market videos intelligently and fast. You can use Vidios for your own projects, or for your client's business, and keep 100% of the profits. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started.
It has never been easier to give a captivating video experience on your website, landing pages, and trainings. But with Vidios, it's easy and fast to play HD videos beautifully without any buffering, disturbing ads, or technical headaches. Vidios enables you to replace multiple old-school video hosting, players, marketing, and selling apps, and provides a lightning-fast and intelligent video experience. You just need to follow 3 simple steps to publish a captivating video. Upload video. Upload 1 or more videos at a time, and let Vidios optimize them for faster delivery on any browser, page, and device. Customize the look and feel of the player in just a few clicks according to your brand. Or monetize videos by inserting your clickable affiliate link, lead forms, or buy buttons to sell your products and services right inside the videos. Vidios AI, artificially intelligent technology, analyzes your visitor's behavior to show the right offer at the right time to the right person and gets you maximum results. And lastly, publish your videos on any landing page, website, or memberships and watch your customer engagement and profits rolling in fast. No installation, no designing, or other techie stuff. Just copy and paste 1 line of code, and in less than 2 minutes, you can publish a captivating video anywhere on the internet and start getting more eyeballs and more customers glued to it. It's lighter and faster. Vidios is built with love for everyone who uses videos online, for any purpose. So, what do you do online? Sell digital products, courses, or coaching? Provide services or consulting? Do product launches? Are you an e-com store owner, a local business, a dentist, a chiropractor, an affiliate marketer, or a SaaS company? Use Vidios to get more engagement on your website and landing pages. Show your product demos and portfolios like a pro. Play HD video sales letters fast. Impress your customers by delivering beautiful trainings at lightning-fast speed and get them spellbound. Ultimately, to get more leads, sell more products, services, or affiliate offers, and make your customers loyal to your brand. Or, if you are an agency and provide services like videos, design, marketing, or anything else, use captivating videos for yourself as well as for your clients to boost their business and charge them monthly recurring fee for your services. Well, that's something incredible. And surely with Vidios, your growth prospects are truly endless. Just 3 simple steps to publish your videos anywhere on internet, and it will deliver them beautifully 24/7. Even while you're watching your favorite web series on Netflix, fishing with your family near the bay, letting yourself loose on the dance floor, or watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court, it has got everything covered. Let's see what makes Vidios a cut above the rest. It took 3 years to plan, develop, test, and super optimize with world's best cloud services for delivering lightning-fast, intelligent, and HD video experience. After all, time is money. Compare yourself. The Vidios, Vimeo, and Wistia videos and player loading speed on Google's performance tracking tool. I'm sure this would have blown your minds away completely. Host and play any type of videos beautifully. Sales videos, client prospecting videos, product demos, training videos, affiliate review videos, and so much more. And publish your videos anywhere you like, on any website built with WordPress, Shopify, or HTML site, landing page, or membership site using just 1 line of embed code. Have 100% control on your traffic. Let people watch your videos, not other people's stuff, so you'll have 100% control on your traffic. No traffic leakage with unwanted related videos and ads. Create and sell memberships effortlessly. Sell playlists, individual videos, or full video course using memberships. Accept payments through PayPal and Stripe with 0 fees. Use smart checkout links to directly receive payments from social media, emails, and on any page. Are you selling on ClickBank, JVZoom, and Warrior Plus? No problem. Our seamless integration will deliver your memberships on 100% automation to customers. Artificial intelligence-enabled video ads for your offers to get max engagement, sales, and profits. Collect leads and sell products directly inside the videos with done-for-you video ads templates. It also comes with full drag-and-drop editor to edit templates and make ads in a few clicks. Intelligent video analytics to understand user behavior and to improve conversions for your video marketing campaigns. We don't finish here. You will be getting much more. Get an attractive video player completely customizable to your exact specifications to give it an elegant look. Publish videos on your branded channels to give more content to your audience and get connected with them. Create video playlists on any topic for better customer training experience. HLS Player is perfectly optimized to work on all devices and it's 100% mobile responsive. Get SEO and social traffic on your viral video pages and channels. Add videos in MP4 format. HDR is supported. Seamless integration with top autoresponders. 128-bit SSL encryption for maximum security of your data and video files. Complete video training is included to get you started quickly and build a profitable business online using Vidios. An entire host of other features that come included with Vidios when you sign up today. And you don't even need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. Isn't it amazing? I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.
Thank you for watching this Vidios review demo video. To find out more about Vidios, click the link in the description below.